Open PicsArt app. Now tap on this plus icon, tap on edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background today we are going to use. Okay, the first step, go to add photo and select the model image. Friends, this is the model image today we are going to use. First step, go to cutout tool, tap on this outline and draw on the model image, tap on arrow and tap on save. Look like after erasing the background, simply arrange it in the center like this. Okay, arrange it perfectly in the center like this. Zoom out. Now tap on the shadow, select the color, tap on this palette and keep it in this portion. Okay, select the color, tap on the position and keep it 100. This also keep it 100. Now tap on adjust, increase to 100 and you have to keep it around 50 and decrease to around 75. It's perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, have to go to add photo and select the king PNG. This is a PNG. Go to crop it like this, tap on tick. Now arrange it in this portion. Now go to blend and you have to make it lighten or screen. Okay, and you have to arrange this center like this. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, you have to add the fire PNGs. Okay, go to add photo. First I am going to arrange this fire on the bottom portion. Okay, here, and next one I am going to arrange. Go to blend, make it screen and arrange in this portion. And the third PNG, this one, again go to blend and make it lighten and arrange in this portion. Okay, like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, go to add photo and select the lighten PNG. This is the light PNG. Again go to blend, make it lighten or screen and you have to arrange on the king portion here and go to opacity, decrease the little opacity like this. Perfect. Now tap on duplicate and arrange here, decrease the opacity. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, you have to go to tools, go to adjust, increase little brightness, increase little contrast, clarity little bit, saturation little more and give little highlights, little shadow and little temperature. Now save this image in PicsArt and you have to send this image to the Snapseed application. See you there. Open Snapseed app, tap on this plus icon and add the model image. Friends, this is the model image. Go to pencil, tap on tune image, brightness, saturation, ambience, highlights and warmth little more. Tap on tick mark, tap on HDR scape. Okay, and give this HDR scape a little bit, filter strength and saturation little bit, brightness little bit. Now tap on tick. Now tap on pencil, go to vignette tool and give the borders the vignette effect. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our concept is completed. The wing photo editing tutorial is the before, this is the final image. Tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.